Standalone application. Use a standalone application to provide other users with executable versions of VIs. This is useful when you want users to run VIs without installing the LabVIEW development system. Installer. Use installers to distribute standalone applications, shared libraries, and source distributions that you create with the application builder. You can include the LabVIEW runtime engine. .NET Interop Assembly. Use .NET Interop assemblies to package VIs for the Microsoft .NET framework. Package. Use packages to distribute source distributions, packed project libraries, shared libraries, .NET assemblies, or applications to users. You can distribute packages to clients through NI Package Manager or System Link. Packed library. It is a project library that packages multiple files into a single file with an .lvlib file extension. The top-level file of a packed library is a project library. By default, the packed library has the same name as that of the top-level project library. Shared library. If you want to call VIs using text-based programming languages, use shared libraries such as dynamic link libraries, or DLLs. Source distributions. Use source distributions to package a collection of source files. Source distributions are useful if you want to send code to other developers to use in LabVIEW. Zip file. Use zip files when you want to distribute files or an entire LabVIEW project as a single portable file.